What are the expectations of these two groups of people from these user engagement tools? If you could explain that.
Yeah, certainly. And as I said, it's as a continuation to my previous answer. The first group of people are those who really believe in the core value prop and work on it very seriously. So their expectation actually reflects an understanding of user engagement. What I mean by that is they know that the core value prop is itself a very big driver of user engagement. Right. For example, when we want to hire a cab, we just go to Uber.
Right.
So we are essentially engaging with the Uber app.
Okay.
When we have a problem to be solved. Same with Swiggy, etc. All the great apps fall into this category, right?
Okay.
So their expectation from the user engagement tools is, I have done the bulk of the work. There are 1, 2, 3 specific tasks that I want you to do. Just allow me the flexibility and the freedom to do those things. That's their expectation.
Okay.
For example, I want to send a notification to a certain group of people. Can I do that? I want to toss in an image in the notifications. Can I do that? I want to take their feedback. Can I do that? These are very specific asks, you see? Right? These are very specific and constrained asks. So that's what they expect from a tool.
Okay.
Now the second group, because their awareness of what a core value prop is or how to actually go about it, maybe it's not 100%. So their expectation from the tool is, can the tool weave some magic? Can the tool deliver a punch and sort of compensate for what maybe is a little bit lacking on the core value prop?
Okay.
So you can see like the really two different expectations.
Right.
A nice way to think about this is that the first group of people really believe in the pull philosophy.
Okay.
They believe like if they build something awesome, people will come and they will use, and engagement is going to happen naturally. So if they look at an engagement tool, they look at it from a very limited task-oriented perspective. Plus, sometimes they also, when they look at what the tool offers, sometimes something goes in their head and they say, okay, can I do something extra? Can I just engage people even apart from the whatever I've built for them in the app, right?
Okay.
Whereas the second people exactly contrast, right? They believe more in the push philosophy.
Okay.
That's just their tendency or their leanings, or right, or their situation makes them sort of go towards more of a push philosophy. They believe in nudging users, in, sort of pushing them to consider some XYZ in the app. Right? So that's a good way to think about these two categories, like pull and push.
Okay. So people in the first group, I think, must be fewer in number, right?
So, I mean, of course, like how many great apps do you know? I mean, do you know 100 of them, 1,000 of them?
I don't think so.
Yeah,
No.
it's so that's a very fair remark to make. They are fewer in number. What we really want as builders of these tools is that more and more people actually go into that category.
Okay.
Because it makes apps better, it makes the digital space really superior.
Okay.